Hey, little sis. So I'm gonna have you do, if you're gonna help me, I'm gonna open the bananas up, and I'm gonna have you smash them up in the bowl, okay?
Smash them up. Smash them up. Smash.
Monday is a day for grounding. Before the week demands my attention, I reclaim my own. I bake, I prep my home, and I reset. In a world that requires speed, taking a few hours to watch the batter rise feels like the ultimate luxury. I like to plan in things that not only I must do on my checklist, but that also bring me joy.
Some bananas.
Oh, okay. Just be careful, sis. I've been thinking a lot about color lately. Life in color. When you look at historic homes, the use of pattern and saturation is striking. Those rooms felt alive, layered, expressive. So, why does so much of modern design feel so safe, so cold? I think we've traded character for broad appeal. Mass production demands neutrality, things that are easy to sell, easy to place, but often lack soul. Maybe we don't actually want less color. Maybe we're just craving more meaning behind it.
Do you?
Is I don't like
That's a little creepy.
a feet. It's so soft.
Is it? Sometimes I catch myself comparing my home to the grand estates I design for my clients. It's a human impulse. But then I touch these linens and I'm reminded that beauty isn't about square footage, it's about the integrity of the materials you bring into your sanctuary. I use my own linens because I know exactly where they're sourced. They are made in the USA, they are 100% Belgian linen, and I know that they will last. There is a quiet confidence in buying things that don't go out of style. I like to design my spaces and my textiles to be more neutral but fun, not extremely historical and not extremely modern.
I have a concept meeting today, so that is what I'll be kind of focusing on all my energy this morning, getting the finishes and everything put together. And I also have a site visit, so that's super fun. It's a residential project that I've been working on, very high-end custom home. There's even a pickleball court inside, so pretty cool. And the consultation I have today, proposing two schemes, one a little bit more neutral, and the other one I want it to be a little bit more wild, fun, and playful. So I'm kind of excited to see what they go for. They said they wanted more fun and playful, so fingers crossed that's what they go with. But if not, if we go for a little more subdued, I think there's other fun ways like with pillows and things like that we can kind of play with pattern. So we will see.
Yeah, I was gonna say honestly,
but that's how I
also
had it
kinda gave
before.
up on that part. So I'm like, yeah, I feel like you don't want to see the door because we can still do something cool with this wall. So when you look, you see something cool there.
For years, I used to chase the desire of being a girl boss, but lately I've had this shift. I just want to be an intentional designer. I've chosen to keep my roster small. Fewer projects, more boutique, but still larger projects, more custom work, specialty designs that allow me the mental space to breathe and also to create textiles and to actually live the life that I am designing for others.
Mastermind.
But this is actually kind of sophisticated. I feel like this could actually
Yeah.
be style.
Classy.
All right, I'm gonna go out and grab them if you'll finish putting these on.
Okay.
Word.
Lilies.
Just regular.
That looks really good.
Chocolate chips.
Should me. Say the password first. You have to go all the way back to say the password. Please say the
Finding joy in the small moments, taking care of the pieces you already have. Monday is a prep day, yes, but more than that, it's a day of remembering why I do this. Design isn't about decorating, it's about how we carry the rest of our week. It's about how our home makes us feel and the journey and the soul that lives inside of it.